Ever spend 5 full minutes looking for a file that should have been right there? You're not alone. Right now, yes, as we speak, your phone and laptop are skimming little bits of time off the top. One unread email here, one mystery screenshot there. It adds up fast. Think of it like cooking in a kitchen where every pan you've ever used is still on the counter. Sounds chaotic, right? Today we're stepping into that kitchen together and clearing the mess digitally. Here's the game plan. First, we'll map out your main digital rooms. Then we'll set up 3 simple rules for apps, files, and email. Finally, I'll give you a quick weekly reset that keeps everything tidy. Ready? Let's dive in. Section 1. Mapping your rooms. Most of your digital life lives in just a few places. 2 or 3 devices and 4 big platforms: email, cloud storage, messaging, and photos. Picture each one as its own room with a junk drawer you've been afraid to open. No more. We'll go room by room, not the whole house at once. Section 2. Your front door. Your front door is whatever you see first: phone home screens and computer desktops. Every icon there is a tiny decision your brain has to make. Let's trim those decisions. Step 1. Remove, don't rearrange. On your phone, delete any app you haven't opened in the last 60 days. Feeling nervous? Toss them into a single folder called Maybe and set a calendar reminder for 30 days. If you still haven't touched them, gone. Aim to cut visible apps by 30%. On your computer, clear the desktop until you can see at least 80% of the wallpaper. Less clutter, less stress. Let that sink in. Section 3. A universal folder map. Next up, one folder structure that works everywhere. Keep it simple. 5 to 7 top-level folders that match real life. Something like Home, Work, Finance, Learning, Photos, Admin. That's it. Inside each folder, stop at 3 levels deep. Deeper folders feel safe, but they bury your stuff. Finance Taxes 2025 is fine. Finance Taxes 2025, Receipts, Work, Travel is a labyrinth. Keep it short. Future you will thank past you. Section 4. Power file names. Now file names. The key is a boring, repeatable pattern. YYYY, project, version. Instead of final presentation exhibiting new.pptx, name it 2025-03-14, Q1 presentation v3.pptx. A year from now, you'll skip 200 little moments of confusion. Section 5. Email. The hallway, not the closet. Treat your inbox like a hallway. People pass through, no one sleeps there. Create 3 to 5 broad folders: Action, Waiting, Archive, maybe Receipts. Anything that takes 2 minutes? Do it and archive. Everything else? Drop it into Action or Waiting. Empty the inbox daily if you can, weekly at worst. Even if you handle only 40 messages a day, saving 3 seconds per email buys back 12 minutes every week. Section 6. The weekly reset. Schedule a 20-minute digital reset once a week. During the reset, you 1. Empty the downloads folder. 2. File stray documents. 3. Uninstall 1 or 2 unused apps. 4. Review and mute non-urgent notifications. Think of it as washing the dishes before the next meal. Your devices stay ready, they stop silently working against you. Section 7. Everyday analogies. Your phone is like a backpack you carry all day. Toss every receipt and snack wrapper inside, and finding your keys is a chore. A 5-minute nightly unpack keeps only what you need tomorrow. Maybe 5 key apps on page 1, everything else tucked away. Your cloud drive? That's a shared office cabinet. When each co-worker saves files with random names, you waste minutes opening the wrong document. Pick one naming rule, say a 3-letter client tag, and slap it on the next 50 files. Messaging apps are group chats at a party. If every buzz demands your attention, you'll lose focus 20 to 30 times a day. Mute the non-urgent stuff. Allow banners for only a few people or channels. And photos, treat the roll like a rotating gallery. After every trip or big event, spend 10 minutes deleting the obvious duplicates before they vanish into the next 1,000 shots. Section 8. Protecting the system. As tools evolve, hello AI sorted folders, review their guesses weekly. Correct what's wrong so the system learns. Once a quarter, go on a data diet. Cap cloud storage at, say, 50 GB personal and 20 GB work. Delete until you're under. Set app limits, like 30 minutes a day for social media. Once a year, export and wipe old chats or projects. Removing even 10% keeps search lightning fast and future migrations painless. Section 9. The 90-day experiment. Treat the next 3 months as an experiment. Choose 3 rules, maybe 1 for files, 1 for email, 1 for apps. Track 2 numbers, minutes saved and items deleted. Aim to cut 500 files, 2,000 emails, and 10 apps. Review your footprint every month. If a folder or tool hasn't helped you at least twice, simplify or let it go. All right, action time. Your mini playbook for this week. 1. Jot down the key tips that jumped out at you today. Writing locks them in. 2. Pick one digital room that's driving you nuts right now. 3. Take one small step. Delete an app, rename a folder, schedule that 20-minute reset. Tiny moves, big momentum. If you do just those 3 things, you've already turned this episode into progress. So here's what we covered today. First, map your main digital rooms instead of tackling the whole mansion at once. Second, clear the front door, your home screens and desktops, so your brain makes fewer micro-decisions. Third, stick to a simple folder map and a boring, consistent file name. Future you loves boring. Fourth, treat your inbox like a hallway. Move things through, don't camp there. And finally, lock in a weekly 20-minute reset that keeps clutter from creeping back. Do that, and your devices shift from time thieves to time savers. You'll move faster, think clearer, and feel lighter every single day. Now, close the podcast app, pick one file or app, and make it disappear. I'll catch you next time, with a lot less digital junk in your pocket.